Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are enjoying these videos. This is Shabir Hussain Bhatti with your favorite YouTube channel. Today we will see some advanced date functions in Google Spreadsheet. This is the second video of 3 videos series. Today we will discuss the functions weekday, week number, workday, workday.int. So let us see the advanced date functions in Google Spreadsheet. Subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon, share the video with your friends and family members, and follow me on my blog computerforlearners.blogspot.com. The first function I would like to explain today is weekday. As you know, we have weekdays: Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So every weekday has a number. So if I want to know the number of the weekday, then I will use this formula to extract the number. Instead of last time we see the is equal to day, this formula will give us the date, not the weekday. For example, in this formula, if I use the formula is equal to day, it will give me 20 because the 20 is a day, but weekday will give me the day number, and by default this formula keep 1 as a Sunday. Okay, so the syntax of this formula is displayed on the right side. It has two input, one is compulsory and the second one is optional. As I mentioned earlier, whatever is in the square braces will be considered as optional, and by default the type is 1, which means the week will start from Sunday. So let us see weekday. As I mentioned, the type is optional and the by default value is 1. There are three values: 0, 1 and 2. So 1 is a by default and it is considering Sunday as the first day of the week, and Saturday is the last day of the week, which will be the 7th day of the week. If I keep in the type argument 2, the computer, the formula, the system will consider Monday will be the first weekday, and definitely the Sunday will be the last weekday, and if the answer is Sunday, it will give me the 7th answer. If the argument type is 3, then the system will consider Monday the first day of the week, but the week number will start from 0. So which means Monday is 0, Tuesday is 1, and Wednesday is 2, and so on. The Sunday will be 6th day of the week. We will see in the practice definitely. Let us move on the next formula. Week number. As we know, we have 52 weeks, and most of the time for developing reports, weekly reports, we need this formula to extract the week number from the date. This formula has also two types. One is the date and the second one is the type. If the type is 1, which is the default value, which means the week will start from Sunday. We discussed the same thing in the previous formula. The syntax is given on the right side, which was taken from the Google Spreadsheet while typing the formula. Workday, very important formula, but it has some limitations. It has an updated formula, and we will discuss after this formula, inshallah. So this formula has 3 input. One is start date, then number days, and after that holiday, which is the optional. So this formula will return us the next working day after adding a small number of whatever the required number of days. For example, I want to go for the vacation for 20 days. I need to know which day will be my next working day. Keeping in mind there are some holidays between these days as well, so I need to know what are my what is my next working day. So function return the next working day after specific number of days, keeping in consideration Saturday and Sunday as a weekend. As I told you, it has a limitation, as we are working in Saudi Arabia, and here the weekend is not Saturday and Sunday, it is Friday and Saturday. If we are working in Asia like Pakistan, India, and other countries, there mostly they are taking the Thursday and Friday as a holiday. So this formula is not helping us to change the weekends. So weekend that can be managed in the next formula, but this formula will give me the next working day, keeping in mind Saturday and Sunday as a weekend after adding a specific number of days. We can also take the example like after 20 days I need to start my work on XYZ project, and keeping in consideration there are some holidays as well. So what will be my working day in that project? So this is the idea behind this formula. Workday.international, it is the more customized formula than Workday. It also considered the same idea. It will give me the next working day after definitely the specific number of days. But here in this formula I have some the input where I can specify the weekend as Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, no work, no weekend, no weekend. So whatever is my requirement, I can modify the formula accordingly. The syntax is given on the right side, is equal to weekday.intel. It has 4 input. The one is the start day, then number days, how many days I need to add to the start date. After that weekend. In the weekend I will mention which are the working days, like Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, which are the weekdays and which are the weekends. After that holidays, weekend and holidays, definitely these are optional, and if I need I will give, if I don't need I will just skip these 2 inputs. Yes, now this is the practice time. Let's go back to the spreadsheet I have created for you just to save our time, and we will see here all the formula practically how we can use in a practical manner. So weekday is equal to weekday, and I need to know the weekday of this date. It's a 7 day, which means by default it is the Sunday. It's giving me 7 by default. If I keep here comma 1, it will give me exactly 7. Okay, if I change to 2, it will give me 3, because the week will start from Monday. From Monday to Sunday it's 6. Okay, so if I keep 0, it will give me, oh, there is no 0 in weekday. The one is for 1, 2 and 3. Yeah, so it's a 5th day, keeping in mind Sunday, Monday with the 6 working days. Okay, so let us see. Just I will keep as 1 and drag it to the end. Here this formula, this is the number, and if I need to know the name, it is very simple. What I need to know, what I need to do is equal to weekday of let us say the same formula, and drag it. After that just click on the more format and more date format, and then more date and time formats. In the more date and time formats, just remove all the formats and select from here the day, and the day will be in a full format, and then apply. That's it. So here you have Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and so on. If I keep here 01, it will give me Saturday. If I keep it here 2, it's a Friday. Okay, according to the the input, according to the input, it's a 6, and 6 is the Friday in the system, according to the system. Okay, now week number. As I mentioned, there are 52 weeks, and I need to know the week number, or the specific day is equal to week number. Week number, I need to know the week number of, is equal to week number of this date. This is the 10th week of the year, and that's it. Here is the formula where we need more focus. Next working day. So I need to know what will be the next working day to my project, to my assignment. If I'm going for the vacation, what will be my next working day? So is equal to work day. Let us start day is today. Start day is today. Number of days, I'm going for 20 days vacation. Holiday. Holidays, I just keep the holidays here. Just select all the holidays from here. Okay, and that's it. So my next working day, keeping all the consideration, will be 15th of July 2020. From today to 20 plus these holidays, my next working day will be the 15th of July 2020. Same, if I need to know, is equal to work day of this day, okay, comma, number of days, let us say I need to know 250 days, comma, holidays, these are whatever the holidays list you have, you just select the weekday list as a list, and then this is the, you can just drag down to know what will be the next working day. And also you can mention the number of days in anywhere in the cell as well. So just to select the cell instead of keeping a fixed number here, like here 20, 30, 50, 90. So different people going for different vacation. So if I change, instead of 250 fixed number to a cell reference, I will select the cell, so it will add 20 days to my formula. And if I need to change 65, I need 150, 250, 310, so it will give me the next working day accordingly. Great. So next working day, the work day, next working day as international, where we have more the weekend control. Here we don't have weekend control, it's a fixed. So here we can even mention the weekend is equal to work day international. Start day, let us same example, today is my start day. Number of days, let us say I'm going for 20 days vacation, comma, weekend in double quotation. Keep in mind this string will start from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So the first 0 is considering I am working, and this is start from Monday. So Monday is working, Tuesday is working, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday, these 2 days are weekend. Okay, so if you need to change any other day as a weekend, you can just press 1 instead of 0. The day will be considered as a weekend. Okay, so this is the, and also I can give the holidays. I already mentioned the holidays here, so these are the holidays, and this is it. So this is the day, you can see same. Okay, and if I want to change the work day, so I can change from weekend as from here. Okay, now is equal to workday international, and this is the date, comma, and the next is number of days. As I mentioned, these are the number of days. After that, the weekend. Okay, the weekend is 1 as a default, I will not change. Okay, and then holidays, these are the holidays, and that's it. So this formula will be more flexible. As I mentioned, if I need to change the number of days here, so I can change any time, so the formula will work accordingly. Let's go back to our presentation. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, plus the like button, share the video with your friend and family members. If you really learn from this video, send me your feedback through comments. I will review and reply you back, inshallah. And once again, thank you very much.